Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger. We're taking a boat ride from Disney Springs to the French Quarter. So come along with us, and I brought some special friends with me. We got my buddy Raw here. How's it going? And we have Star, the star of the show, Star. Where are we going, guys?
French
Quarter!
Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras time. Let's go, guys.
That big balloon is actually the world's largest helium balloon. Flies space with the wind. There's also a movie theater, a bowling alley, an M&M world, a Coke world, about anything you can imagine.
Over here we have Saratoga Springs.
Just like on the Jungle Cruise here in the Sassagoula River Cruise, we get up close and personal with our own wildlife. On our right-hand side, you're going to see a great blue heron hanging out on the wall. A little further down, a white egret. They hang out on this wall because as the boats pass by, the repellers and fish, so they'll swim down, grab some dinner, kind of treat it as an all-you-can-eat buffet. We're pretty smart for that. If you look straight ahead of the water, you're going to see some birds kind of popping in and out of the water. Kind of look like penguins. We call them snake birds. That's the way their head looks when they stick their head out. They look like snakes in the water. We have lots of wildlife here in Sassagoula.
Look at this wildlife. Hello, Star.
Hey, stranger family.
Welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. This is Rick and Star. Where's the Disney Stranger? We have to find him. He's wearing a hat and he has a beard.
We're just looking for some beignets.
Beignets! Something like that.
It's just like on the Jungle Cruise here in Sassagoula River, we have our very own eighth wonder of the world. Coming right up, guys. Get ready.
What's the eighth wonder of the world? Yeah, what did they say? What is the eighth wonder?
Backside of the almost there. You may have heard of the backside of water, but it's got nothing on the underside of a bridge.
Oh, wow, the underside. The underside of a bridge.
That was enough to knock your socks off. Here on our left-hand side, these birdhouses you see, they house our purple gardens. So these purple gardens help take care of our mosquito populations here on the river. Definitely appreciated by the captain.
tree houses before?
No. Only in vlogs.
Oh yeah, all in vlogs. I've never seen them in person either.
Exciting.
I've been dying to see these for the longest time.
Yeah.
That looks amazing.
They're keeping them.
Long term.
Long term, yeah.
Yeah.
They're original, 1975.
Excellent.
We had a wonderful trip.
So beautiful, relaxing.
Very relaxing. Very nice at sunset too, right?
And the wildlife.
This place looks wonderful. My first time here. Very excited. What's that?
My first time.
Love the green. Your first year?
First time only.
This is great. I love this. Ready to do some partying
I like the
here?
music.
Yeah, New Orleans
I do
jazz.
so. Yeah.
Maybe they'll have a parade.
Brass bands.
You gonna get some beads?
No, maybe they'll have a parade.
Yeah, and you can get some beads.
Yes.
What do you need to do to get beads here?
Well, you just gotta stand there, look happy, and they throw them to you.
Oh, that's excellent. Yeah, all
You're gonna
right.
get a lot of beads.
You'll get tons of beads. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on this Disney Stranger adventure across the
Sassagoula River.
Yay! I couldn't say that. I made her do it. So we travel all the way from Disney Springs all the way over to the
French Quarter.
Quarter. Yes, and this place looks amazing, which will be in a different vlog. So make sure you check that one out because I can't wait to see this. This place looks amazing, right, guys?
Awesome!
All right. So thanks again for joining us, and guys, always remember,
Don't forget to walk forward!
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.
Like and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.